In this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a file upload form using WordPress. I will show you how you can allow certain file types and even show you how you can specify how much of file size your users can upload. Coming up.
Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
So this is a website I'm going to create the file upload contact form for, and at the end of the tutorial we'll add a link here that says contact, where our users can click to fill up the contact form and also upload their files. So to do this, I go to the back end of my website, then I go over to plugins, add new, and I search for contact form 7. This is the plugin I'm going to use. There are other plugins that will give you the opportunity to create file upload forms. I've already used Forminator plugin to create a file upload form. I'll leave that video in the description down below, you can check it out. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use contact form 7. I'll go ahead and click on install now. It is installed, I activate. After activating it, at the left hand side pane, you see contact. Just click on it. Defaultly, when you activate contact form 7, a contact form will be created for you, and this is it right here. If you want, you can add a new one from here, but let's just go ahead and use this. So I click on it to edit. So this is our contact form right here in a form of HTML tags. This may look a little bit scary, but it's just a simple HTML tags. The first field is your name, that is what you see in here, and it is being wrapped by the label tag, that is the opening label tag and the closing label tag. And this is the field itself, that is your name. So the next field, we have the email field, the subject field, and then the message field, and finally the submit button. So in between the message field and then the submit button, that is where we are going to add our file upload field. So I click right here and I hit enter twice to make up the space. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and copy any of these fields. So I'll just highlight all this, right click, copy, and in here I right click, then click on paste. So from here I'll just change the name of the label. Maybe I need optionals, so I remove your message, then I'll make it upload file, something like that. And take note, the message field, I'm going to remove it, and that is where I'm going to add my file field. So with the insertion point here, I click on file up here, and this will give us the form tag generator pop-up. In here you can make your field a required field if you want, so that users will have to upload a file each time they want to fill the form, but I don't want to do that because we have made it optional right here. Next is name. You can give your field a name, or you can leave it as it is. So whatever name you give it, it will appear here. So I'll say file dash upload, something like that. And the next field is file size limit, and it's supposed to be in bytes. So in here, whatever file size you want to specify, it should be in bytes. So if you want 8 megabytes, you cannot just enter 8 MB. You need to convert 8 megabytes into bytes. So we can go to Google to get this. So MB to bytes, hit enter. I'll go ahead and use this. I've already tested this out. So in here I enter 8, then I click on convert. In here we get two options, but take note, you are not going to use the one in decimal, we are going to use the one in binary. So I'll just go ahead and copy the whole of this, right click, copy, come back in here, then I'll go ahead and paste it. Awesome. The next field is the acceptable file types. In here you need to specify the kind of files your users will be uploading. If this field is empty, it means anybody can upload any kind of file which you might not want. So you need to specify all the file types you want your users to be able to upload and send to you. And you can add as many file types as you want. You just have to separate them with a pipe character. I will show you what that is. So I want my users to be able to upload PDFs. I give space, then I add pipe character, space, JPEG, space, pipe character, space. I also want them to add Word documents, so I'll add this. So these are the various file types I want to allow for now, and I'll leave the rest of the fields as they are. I'll just go ahead and click on insert tag, and I have my file upload field right here. Awesome. If you are finding this tutorial helpful already, kindly click on the like button and let's continue. So this is all what I want to do. Then I go ahead and click on save. Alright, our form is saved. The next thing we are going to look at is make sure we add this particular field to the email field. It's very important. If you don't do this, when your user sends you a message with a file upload, you won't be able to see it. But before we go to the mail tab, these are some fields you can add into your form, and you can make your form as long as you want. But for this tutorial, we are only limiting ourselves to the file field. So I'll go ahead and click on mail. So in here, these are the various fields you need to work with. The two is where the email will be sent when users fill this particular form, and the email will be sent to the admin email. That is the email address you use to set up WordPress. And the from field is where the form is being sent from. That is the title of your website. So mine is this. So when I receive a message from this form, this is the name I will see from the form. And next is subject. It will show the site title again, and then your subject. If you don't want to see the site title, you can just take it off. So I'll take mine off. And then reply to, that is your email. This is the email address of the senders of this form, so that you'll be able to reply to them. Awesome. Going down is the message body. So you see the from, that is the name of the sender and their email, the subject, your subject, and then the body of the message. And finally, you get this signature line right here. You can customize all this the way you want, but we are not going to cover this in this tutorial. So the major thing we need to do here is to be able to allow our users to attach files. So in this file attachment field, I'm going to add the file field we inserted earlier, and we can get that right up here. That is what we have here. So our message would contain your name, your email, your subject, your message, and then file upload. So I highlight the whole of this, copy, then I come in here and paste it. And that's all what we need to do in here. I click on save, and now my form is saved. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create a page where I'll embed my contact form. But before I do that, I need to copy this tag right here. Just select it, right click, click on copy, and I go over to pages, add new. In here, I give my page a title. Next, I go up here and click on this plus icon, or I can click on it from here to add a new blog. I search for shortcode. I have shortcode in here. Just click on it and you go ahead and paste in your shortcode. Then I click on publish, publish again to save my page. The page is being published. I click on view page. Now I have my contact form right here, and users will be able to upload files. So let's test our form out. So I'll fill out the form, and I've uploaded a PDF file. I'll go ahead and click on submit. Okay, thank you for your message. It has been sent. So I'll go to my email and check it out. I have the new message right here. Just click to open it. So this is the name of the website where the message is coming from, and from the sender's name, their email, the subject, that is inquiry, the body of the message, that is hi there, and then the file that is being uploaded, that is this PDF file. So if I want to reply to the sender, I'll just go ahead and click on reply, and here I'll see the sender's email address so that I'll be able to reply to the person. So that's how we receive the message. I exit out of here, and coming back here, you see that my user will not be able to see this particular contact form in order to send me a message with. So I need to add a link up here so that users will be able to have access to this contact form. So to do that, I hover on the name of my website and I click on menus. In here I have contacts. I just click on it, then I click on add to menu. It is added. I just go ahead and click on save menu. You can rearrange it the way you want, but this is how I want it to show. Perfect. It has been saved. So if I go to the front end of the website and refresh, I'll see my contact link as part of the menu. So now users can go ahead and click on it in order to use the contact form. So that's it on how to create a file upload contact form using WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you miss out on future videos. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.